Hello friends and welcome to Educare 247. Today I'll be taking lecture 24 on financial awareness for public-private partnership, that is PPP model. So let's get started. So the government was in news for clearing the award of airports at Jaipur, Trivandrum and Guwahati for redevelopment of Adani Enterprises. The AII will be getting rupees 1070 crore upfront from handing over the airports for the redevelopment. It is said that this will be helpful for developing the airports in smaller towns, for having the better facilities of travelers and for improving the efficiency. The 3 airports will be leased for operation, management and development in public-private partnership, that is PPP model, to Adani Enterprises. The airports to be handed over are a part of original 6 that were auctioned last year, wherein Adani Enterprises emerged as a higher bidder. Moving forward, Educare 247 has launched Grade A, SEBI Grade A 2020 crash course, which includes Phase 1 and Phase 2. You can avail this at a discount of 1500 by applying a coupon code of SEBI. The course content can be as seen, and if you click on any of these content, for example commerce and accountancy, you'll be seeing all the chapters which are included into it. Also, there are 5000 plus MCQs in order to have thorough and revised information in order to get through the exams. So getting into public-private partnership model, first of all, there are 3 types of investment models: public investment model, private investment model and public-private partnership model, which we are discussing. So what is this PPP, 3P or P3? It can be considered as a cooperative arrangement between 2 or more public and private sectors, which are typically the governments and the businesses. It is also considered to be a funding model for public infrastructure projects such as building a new telecommunication system, airport or power plant. So the public partner is represented by the government at a state or a national level, and the private party can be a privately owned business, public cooperation or any businesses with a specific area of expertise. Also, it is a very broad term which can be applied to anything from a simple short-term management contract to a long-term contract that includes funding, planning, building, operation, maintenance and divestiture. Also, PPP arrangements involves highly skilled workers and significant cash outflow to get started. Under this PPP model, there are various different models which are listed below. Starting with BOT. It stands for Build, Operate, Transfer. It is a very conventional PPP model in which the private partner is responsible to design, build, operate and transfer back the facility to the public sector. An example for this can be Mumbai Metro, in which the government is involved and the private party which was involved was Reliance Energy Limited. BOO. This stands for Build, Own, Operate. In this model, ownership of the newly built facility will rest with the private party forever. BOOT. This is the variant of BOT, that is Build, Operate, Transfer, and after a negotiated period of time, the project is transferred to the government or a private sector. BOLT. This stands for Build, Operate, Lease, Transfer. In this approach, the government gives concession to a private party to build a type of a facility, design it, to own the facility, lease the facility to the public sector, and then at the end of the period, transfer the ownership of the facility to the government. DBFO. This stands for Design, Build, Operate, Transfer. In this, the entire responsibility of the design, construction, finance, operation of the project lies with the private party. Now comes the LDO. It stands for Lease, Develop, Operate. In this type of investment model, either the government or the public sector, in this case it can be considered as AAI, retains the ownership of the newly created facility and receives the payments in terms of lease agreement with the private promoter, which is in this case is Adani. So this news can come under LDO model of public-private partnership, that is PPP model. So that's it for this session. Thank you and happy learning. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, that is Educare 247. Stay tuned and happy learning.